Get a ticket for a chance to win 2 Dyson hair dryers, 2 Traeger grills, 2 65-inch televisions. Get a ticket for a chance to win 2 MacBook Airs, 2 motorized bikes, 2 Segways, 5 $250 gift cards. Get a ticket for a chance to win 2 Charleston Elite Academy tickets plus air plus hotel. Grand prize to Ireland. Round trip to airfare to Ireland within the continental U.S. Get a ticket and go to Ireland, you guys. How do you get these tickets? Show up at convention and you will get a ticket. Spend $50 in the store and get a ticket. You donate $50 to the LifeVantage Legacy Program, get a ticket. You sing at karaoke and you participate, you get a ticket. How do you get the tickets? Use the app called Crowd Compass for convention and you will get a ticket. Woo!